What up, it's your boy Josh, aka the Guzzler.
Hey man, it's me, it's Waylon Jennings.
Do I go high then?
You go high.
Do I just stare into your eyes? This is really nice. I feel so small in your arms. I really like chicken wings.
I won the money is mine, I won the money. I win the money. The money is mine.
That sound of the bell means we have to answer someone's advice question.
And you've heard about my disappointing childhood.
Every day, it's like, is this it for the rest of my life? But no, not at AM, PM. The coffee of excitement. Don't touch me, I swear to God. You're the reason I went there in the first place.
Oh, you went there because I told you about it.
I'm already eating a fry.
Okay, well, I guess we'll start with the fry then. We gotta dissect out here, man.
These are all 4-piece nugget meals with fries and milk. We're being very scientific about this.
I would like to know the rate of circumcision for the Flintstonians. I just want to know where that happened, because if they're shaving, they obviously have sharp tools. I don't know, I just want to know about their genital hygiene. Yeah, I probably shouldn't use that one, but that's the first thing that came to mind.
Kid, I didn't have toys growing up. It was like, here's a ball, go bounce it, and that was it.
Thicker than a bowl of oatmeal that you're eating alone in your car.
I always learn new stuff about you.
Some people have a phobia of clowns. I have a philia of clowns. Lying is good.
Two things that you hate.
Yeah, pain is good.
Pain is good because.
Oh, because you hate yourself.
You hate
and it
yourself.
Makes it, that's right.
Then
You didn't say you had a wife.
Oh, sorry, I don't have a wife.
And my child, he's in the back seat of the car. He's screaming, right? I can't pay him enough attention.
Go to a museum and just take the hopes and dreams of every young starving artist and just crush them into the palm of my hand.
Pig don't have neck.
What?
Pig don't have neck.
Pig have neck, man. We bought 100 bonobos to work a factory. We own those
Here
now.
you go.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
I saw baboons. I don't know what you're talking about.
What?
You didn't see the
no,
blue butts?
baboons were too expensive. No, we painted the bonobos'
said
butts
they're too
blue.
expensive.
Painting the bonobo butts blue was an issue because we couldn't use our bonobo labor to paint the bonobo butts, so we had to get capuchin monkeys. It's like if there's a rat in your house, you get a cat to catch the rat, but then you gotta get a dog to catch the cat, and then you gotta get a horse to eat the dog. It's just a real problem. I think we're all growing up slowly but surely.
We don't do that here, Josh.
Inching towards death, you know what I mean?
Thank you so much for that. Yeah.
Leave! I'm
sorry.
It's private. It's private. Well, thank you, Jordan. I don't know if you need more.
Yeah, get me greased up.
Have you guys ever
Yeah.
pooped on a date?
Huh?
Like during the middle of a date, like you just have to go to the bathroom.
No.
And you're like,
I
gotta
always
get it
have
out.
diarrhea, so yeah.
What?
I have IBS.
Damn it, I missed my finger hole.
Is it not?
You always yell at me for making Holocaust jokes.
No.
Where everybody's eating hot dogs alone in my car because we're alone together. And that's beautiful.
We are paid to like each other.
That's true.
I love Fruity Pebbles, though I think they are the most overrepresented cereal in media, and we are contributing to the problem.
She sent it back. It wasn't hot enough, and she sent it back, and I immediately wanted to crawl into a hole and die.
Yeah.
Though.
Can we do a real cheap three-way dance?
Yeah, a cheap, low three-way.
And now I'm in on this?
Which way do I just like this? I don't know what's happening for the record. I'm very confused. But I feel strangely familiar.
That's so cheap!
Don't touch
Family
me, it's
dinner.
sticky. And when I think of delicious party in my mouth, I think of eating hot dogs alone in my car. Stop looking at all the passersby around you and making eye contact while you're eating the hot dogs. Also, do not chew when you eat hot dogs. Me, people don't change. They rarely even improve. So what you need to do is you need to learn to adapt.
Going ball, just
you have
smashing
a
them
club
aside.
in this scenario?
I would like to. I can make a club. If there's a
That's really good.
Life, and also when I have big old square bean bags. This exists in a third fugue state, like a Schrodinger's cat, neither dead nor alive, but somehow both at the same time. That's what this pizza is.
Because I've worked in a Michelin star restaurant and you measure everything in grams. And
You don't take any money. I would give you money because if I have money, then I get soft. But if I'm giving you money, my biggest hater, then that's gonna motivate me. That's gonna make me grind even harder.
I take my first $1,000, boom, buy an Arby's franchise with that, and suddenly I'm 50. No, I leverage it, Nicole. I leverage that $1,000 to buy an Arby's franchise. Have you ever made money?
If it's a kid's meal, it should have a toy. You should be able to brainwash children into doing the things that you want as the market forces demand. No, they use science and technology to really leverage human psychology against itself. Whoa!
Negative self-talk Wednesday or whatever day it is. So we're gonna crack an egg in there. Daddy needed this. This is something that I could actually see coming out from the DiGiorno family, a proud Italian family, not mob affiliated, despite what you might think. That's a stereotype and it's harmful. Like, we're gonna need to late this race for about 4 hours, Debbie.
I always get scared to do that. I think my finger's gonna get caught on the hook.
Yeah, don't play around with industrial machinery. Unless you really want to. There was an artist who just put a canvas on the ground and he would just dip naked people into paint and he'd just swing them around. Trevor is cheating. He is Tom Brady inflate-gating the ball. No, look at me. Trevor, I know exactly what he did. He called a friend who's better at him than cooking. He had a special item for his breakfast the other day. If Trevor wins today, I swear to God, this should be written off like Barry Bonds' home run record because he's popped up with Diana Ball.
Yeah, you made soggy Wonder Bread and this weird turkey thing that you, first of all, he couldn't find the ground turkey. It was wrapped in like open foil.
Because I have so many open foil packets of ground turkey now.
And he was running around. This is like a true
I'm eating 2 pounds of ground turkey a day.
Yeah, so he just put it on Wonder Bread and then you added, do you have sauce?
Gonna rim it out.
Rim her sandwich.
Don't laugh at the word rim. All right. It's just a word.
Mine's stupid.
scared.
I didn't know
No,
you were
don't
both
say that.
making good things. Okay.